My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another nighttime POV, man. As y'all can see, as y'all can tell, I done finished it up. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think about, you know what I'm saying, the lights all the way around. You know what I'm saying? They feel amazing outside tonight, man. I really was just gonna cruise and no record. Just gonna play my music. You know what I'm saying? To really just get right into the vibe. You feel me? Just vibe. But I was like, man, let me bring Cari crew along, man. I've been slipping lately, you know what I'm saying, on the content, so you feel me? I was gonna get right with y'all boy, man. But yeah, I don't really know too much to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm just recording, man. I do all this stuff, you know what I'm saying, raw and uncut. But make sure y'all hit that like button. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, man, and join the Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? We on some calm stuff tonight, man. I ain't finna go too crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to chill, vibe out with y'all boy, man. I might, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a slight little noise making here and there, but we just vibing tonight, man. You know what I'm saying? Just enjoying the drive. But y'all comment down below also, man. You know what I'm saying? What kind of videos y'all would like to see? I know one person is on, they liking the drag racing content. I get to that eventually, but it ain't as popping, you know what I'm saying? Like that, you feel me? So I gotta see. It'll be happening too much and they be taking forever to get started. I might as well just actually go to the drag strip, you know what I'm saying? Where they actually gonna be doing it all the time. So more stuff to come though, but yeah, man, but y'all let me know if y'all like the lights and how I put them up, though. It is a vibe, though, for sure. This just make it even more like, you know what I'm saying? Make it even more tough. But if I had the Flow series, that'd be crazy. But I ain't paying over $100, almost $200 for some lights like these. When you can get these lights for way cheaper, you know what I'm saying? And you only use them at night, so like I see you can see them in the daytime. You only can use them at night. It's the only time when they're actually worth it. But yeah, man, it feels amazing outside, man. Like, if it could feel like this in the daytime, bro, we'll be alright, man. But we're gonna get there. Summer, you know what I'm saying? The summer getting closer and closer to the end, man. But y'all know that southern heat. That southern heat is crazy. That southern heat is crazy, you know what I'm saying? The southern heat crazy. Whew. But hey, man, I'm really just vibing. Y'all excuse me if I'm really not talking or I'm just rambling, because I'm just really just chilling, man. Like, I just want to record a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Making my content, because I got to make my content, you feel me? Got to keep that grind going, man. Got to get that 15K, man. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? 15K the quick way. And let me know if y'all like the nighttime POVs. Anyway, I know some of y'all do. You know what I'm saying? I just rock with it because, like, it's more cool outside. Traffic ain't that bad. I like to look at the ambient lights, you know what I'm saying? It's just more vibey, you feel me? But daytime always a vibe too, though, but it's just vibey, you know what I'm saying, at nighttime. Olivia sounds so good, man. This is eco mode, too. You know what I'm saying? The eco mode, big chilling. Big chilling in the eco mode, man. But Cari crew, man, I don't know. It's gonna be a lot in store, you know what I'm saying, this year, man. I don't know exactly yet, but I just know when I get there to that point, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a lot going on, you feel me? As far as content-wise. You know what I'm saying, doing a rap. I still want to do another rap on my whip. I like the rap that's on here now. It's been over a year. I usually never keep a rap that long. This is the longest rap I ever kept, you know what I'm saying? Cause all my other raps I did them myself, from the black hood, the black roof, black trunk, the camouflage, all that. Everything I did on this car I did myself, besides these stripes. It's the only thing I ever paid somebody else to do, you know what I'm saying? Which they did a good job, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Great job. But it's time for something new, man. I'm gonna do something kind of simple, but it's gonna be still different. It's gonna, like, you know what I'm saying? It's still gonna have my touch, but it's gonna be simple. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, nothing too much. Just something mean and clean, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, something clean though. And car crew, man, y'all boys just get your boy to 15K, man. I'm trying to get that cat. You know what I'm saying? But for one, when I get that cat, y'all gonna really just love the video, because it's just gonna be like videos just like this. Nighttime POV with the wine. Come on, bro. I ain't gonna do no talking. Like, it's just gonna be straight, just hitting the gas doing this. Just that all day, but you gonna hear wine instead of straight exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Like, car crew, I'm telling y'all, bro, just trust me. Trust the process and get your boy there. Y'all won't be disappointed, man. Y'all will not be disappointed, I'm telling you. Content gonna be crazy. Too crazy. Too crazy. But yeah, man, like I said, just a little calm POV, man. I know a lot of y'all probably not gonna care too much about this one. But, you know what I'm saying, hopefully the real car crew still tap in, man. Hopefully the real car crew tap in, you feel me? There go some boys over there at the gas station. I know, boy, would have been gone. I'm finna my video. I might turn back around, pop out with him. But yeah, man, like, what I finna say? I forgot. But yeah, man, y'all boys, y'all gonna see, man. Just wait, man. And then if I don't go cat and I'm out this and go crazy, either way it go, whatever I'm gonna get gonna be supercharged. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Whatever I get, it's gonna be supercharged, you feel me? Or I'm gonna supercharge Olivia. You know what I'm saying? I was saying that on my live. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram too, man. Get your boy to 5K on Instagram, man. You know what I'm saying? At Cari.beats. You feel me? Get your boy to 5K on the ground, man. Get your boy to 5K on the ground, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all hear them pops. I know y'all hear them pops, man. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get right, y'all. I'm gonna get right. I'm trying to see what I want to do. If I do go, you know what I'm saying, any other American muscle supercharged car, I know one on that I do. Y'all gonna be like, man, I know you ain't do that. I know you ain't just caught one of them. All the smack I be talking. But hey, if y'all be watching, y'all know what I say about the Ford. You know what I'm saying? That Shelby different. I rock with the Shelby. 5.0s is, you know, it's just 5.0s to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course, you have a 10-speed, whatever. That's literally it. They don't hold no value. They got a 10-speed. The back end real light. You can't, you know what I'm saying? Anytime you may spin out, that mug gonna get loose. But I have a driver mod. You know what I'm saying? So it's different. I ain't gonna be doing like the other folk be doing, you know what I'm saying? But still, you gotta be smart all the way around, man. You gotta get you a car that got a little value, unless you know you're gonna keep it forever and put a lot of money into it and make the value go back up. If I get a regular Stain, I'm not putting all that kind of money into it. If I put all that kind of money into it to make it fast, when I sell it, I'm gonna take it all back off. You know what I'm saying? So I can sell the part. I get more money selling the parts separately than trying to sell the car with the stuff on it. And that's just being real. I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, man, no, man. I'm telling you, bro. Like, I know numbers when it come to cars, bro. I definitely do that. If I don't know nothing else, I definitely know numbers with cars, bro. That's why I buy what I buy. I don't just buy everything for no reason, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't buy everything for no reason. But yeah, a GT500 would be crazy. I wonder if I'll fall in love with it though, cause see, a cat just different. Cause I don't research so much. I ain't researched that much on the GT500. You know what I'm saying? ZL1s either. I know ZL1 Camaro is just easy to mod. Camaro just like they easy to mod. Look at, bro. Why are you walking? Why folks do that, bro? Y'all walk in the road and be on the like in the road. Like, get on the, it's a whole sidewalk right here. You walking on the white line for what reason? In the dark. Like, it's a whole sidewalk to go all the way down the street, bro. And you want to walk in the street. Facing, going towards traffic like this way. But yeah, man. Like, ZL1, even though ZL1 is the slowest, technically horsepower-wise, the slowest out of the three. But, you know what I'm saying, they got the 10 speed. You know, the GT500 got the 7 speed. You know what I'm saying? But that GT500 pulling. That mug is pulling. I can't say that. That mug is pulling. So any of y'all out there got a GT500, man, let your boy drive that mug, man. Or take me for a ride in it, you feel me? I just want to see what they're talking about. I ain't never rolled or drove a GT500. I never rolled or drove a ZL1. And I want to do both. I'd love to do a review on both of them. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boy, hook your boy up, man. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. It ain't gonna take but 10 minutes. Promise you. It ain't gonna take but 10 minutes, man. But, yeah, man, I don't know. But I do want that cat. You feel me? Cat or red eye, you know what I'm saying? Whichever one. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta have that supercharged Hemi. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. We're gonna see what's popping, though. We're gonna see what's in store. You never know, you know what I'm saying? I don't got a problem with trying new things, especially when it comes to that, because I know I'm going to put whatever I get, I'm going to put my swag on it to where it's just going to be, still going to be me, you know what I'm saying? I make any car look good. Any car look good. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's a ZL1, a GT500, GT350, Hellcat, red eye, wide body, slim body, Challenger, Charger. It don't matter what it is, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter what it is. But that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, something quick. Just want to talk to y'all boy real quick, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And like I also say in all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch a car, crew. You know what I'm saying? And keep God first, keep him in the midst. Like I always say, man, y'all boys stay safe, stay prayed up. You feel me? Stay safe in these streets. You know what I'm saying? And get you some money. You know what I'm saying? Stay positive. Do productive stuff. You know what I'm saying? Get you some money and get right. But, yeah, man. Also, man, like I said in the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.